Alright guys, Mike with Pacific Tech. We got the shroud off and everything, and that is your culprit. I'm not using, besides the 10, all the other tools are over there. And you know damn Skippy, that don't fit right there, so, because you can see, so, yeah. I want you guys to understand that it's not me. So as a technician, you become a forensic officer because you try to figure out why is this happening when this is loose. One of these bolts, this one right here, that went right up here, was loose by hand. So someone went in here and loosened this up, so that way she can have trouble, because we tighten it up from down here. This is the tension. This is the lock bolt. And we usually don't put it like that. And I usually tighten it up because I don't like it too wobbly. When we put the belt on, we gotta push tension on it. So we're gonna put enough torque on this, and I'm gonna go above spec just so that we can see what the hell is going on. Anyway, Mike with Pacific Tech. Leave a comment down below. You think I'm right that someone's tampering with this? Or did that happen to get loose after 1.5 to 2 years of it being on without no problems? Alright, leave a comment down below. It's Mike with Pacific Tech. 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe. Guys ever had this type of problem where that bolt comes loose after 2 years? Leave a comment down below. Actually, as we go, gonna need 10mm, and I believe that's the 14 or 15. And this is the new belt number, so just in case. We went with the Master Pro POS from O'Reilly's. Yeah, you guys know how I feel about certain products, but it's a belt. It's gonna go either which way, wear and tear. It's made, let's see where it's made. It says made. Well, they give a P.O. box for Wyoming. So you think this is American made? Since we don't make anything here in America? It's another kind of questions you want to ask. Leave a comment down below. I'm not hating or anything, just observation. Anyways, Mike with Pacific Tech. Peace.